Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski here from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we're gonna make a protein pancake, and I wanna show you how easy it is to eat a ton of protein and be full. You don't have to just drink it, okay? I feel like I'm about to sneeze, so if it happens, it happens. Okay guys, all I got is a 1/4 cup of my Baker's Basic Cake Mix. You can buy them individually or in bulk. And I'm adding a 1/4 cup of egg whites and 2 tablespoons of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And that's all you gotta do to make a delicious pancake, okay? If you microwave this, it's gonna give you a cake texture. If you wanna put it in the Dash Express, it's gonna give you a pancake texture. Either way, you're getting the same results. There's some people that don't like using a microwave, which especially if you have a history of cancer, I can totally understand that. Okay, that's what these gadgets are for. So here's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna try to put this in front of you so you can see it. I've got my Dash Express. I'm gonna spray it, and I'm gonna pour my mix in here. See that? Yeah. And if you just give it about 2 minutes, you'll have a delicious pancake. Now remember guys, this pancake is 148 calories prepared. It is 16 grams protein, 3 net carbs, and only 4 grams of fat. And I'm telling you, this is gonna fill you up. This is a meal replacement. Nothing else on 150 calories and 16 grams protein is gonna fill you up like this pancake right here. So if you're doing a diet like Weight Watchers, like let's say Weight Watchers, you're doing the points plus, and you can only have like 26 points in a day, you can literally eat 13 of these. Because one of these servings is only 2 points Weight Watchers, okay? So that's the other thing that's awesome about these mixes. The Baker's Basic is 2 points Weight Watchers, same with the chocolate. The bread mixes are 3 points Weight Watchers. So I tell my customers to eat 2 to 3 mixes a day. You can literally eat 12 of these a day if you want, if you're on Weight Watchers, and you're still only at 1,800 calories. It's nothing. So that's what's so great about these guys. Not just that, the fact that they're so filling. They are so filling. I don't think everybody that knows me knows I have the appetite of a teenage boy. Like over 10 years ago, I was well over 200 pounds. I think at the highest I weighed myself, I was 213. But I know I gained weight after that. I just never weighed myself, okay? So 10 years later, 4 extra kids later, for me to be down to this weight, it's nothing short of a miracle from God, especially with my heart failure. These mixes really, really help you to get healthy and to lose weight, okay? See that? I just want to show you. It needs another minute or 2, but I'm not going to keep you guys, but this is what a pancake looks like. You can put, my daughter Genevieve loves to just put the cream cheese frosting and a little bit of chocolate chips, and she's good to go. If you're busy, all you got to do is get these Lily's chocolate chips and some Ready Whip, and you throw this on it, and you have a delicious dessert, okay? And you're eating all protein, and you're eating healthy and clean, and you're not eating flour and sugar. You're eating organic coconut flour and flaxseed and nutritional yeast and sunflower lecithin and super, super food healthy ingredients when you're doing this stuff, okay guys? Come see us. We're here in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Or if you don't live nearby, go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com and you can find more recipes like this. You can find all kinds of stuff here. Thanks for watching. God bless you.